Hello everyone, welcome to my new vlog. Since last 2 days the temperature is very less and we were freezing. Did some running and I want to share something with you all. So up until 2026, I always used to think of stuff. I'll do this, I'll do that. Okay, that will be a good idea. Let's start that. But never action on it, right? And I just want to make completely full use of 2026, and I don't want to waste a single potential of mine. And then something happened in 2025, and then the realization hit that when you see your parents grow old, grow weaker every single day after they hit their 50s, and we all know that there will be a day when they will not be around, and we all know that it's a fact, it's a known fact, and the time they have is very less. It's not like they'll live another 50-60 years and you have time to do something and make them proud, right? So the time is very less, and what am I doing to make them see the world, to make them experience everything they want? Nothing, right? I'm just thinking and I'm just doing nothing. That hit me hard. That I cannot regret after they are gone. I cannot sit and regret that, oh, I should have worked on that, oh, I should have worked on myself, oh, I should have made that possible, because that will give me regret. That will not make anything right. So yeah, that's the goal. I'll use everything, every potential of myself to make that happen, to give them that life they deserve, to make them proud, to make them see when I succeed. I don't want to stand in front of their photo and say, you would have loved that, you would have loved seeing that, you'd be so proud if you're here. No, I don't want that. I don't want that regret. I just want to make that real when they are here. So I'll just do everything. Obviously I can't control fate, but I'll just put everything to make that happen and to make them see when I succeed. So I'm heading back home, and I got this cute cap and this jacket from H&M yesterday, and I'll show you guys the unpacking video. I had ordered something from H&M and I got the order today. It seems like I'm going to Kashmir or something, but I'm not. I felt like buying, so because it's too cold here, and I thought it will be of good use. It's a sports jacket in a black one. So yeah, that's what I had ordered. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more such content. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.